Have you ever felt stuck in suffering, where the outside world appears harsh, and your thoughts are churning inside you? Life has taken away all pleasures, every plan, every assurance. Yet inside, there is a faint voice. This is not the end of you. Everyone experiences suffering. It may arrive quietly, slowly, or suddenly, wearing down your spirit. Your thoughts loop endlessly. What's the point? Why me? These loops are not just despair, they are your brain trying to survive. Your identity feels under threat. Pain nudges you toward surrender, resentment, or escape. But a part of you remains untouched by circumstance. Psychologists call this rumination, prefrontal cortex versus amygdala. It's an internal tug-of-war for control. You are not broken. You are not defined by suffering. Your brain reacts to threats to protect life, not to judge worth. Frankl discovered one thing suffering cannot take from you: the ability to choose your attitude, response, and the meaning you assign. Think of your mind as a house with two rooms. Room 1, loud, crowded, urgent, gut reactions, fire, fast survival. Room 2, silent, reflective, your prefrontal cortex.com and aware. Between them is a doorway. Most rush through room 1, but pausing at the doorway creates your space of freedom. Even under stress, your brain can choose. Meaning remains untouchable. Room 2, silent, reflective, your prefrontal cortex.com and aware. 1, notice your inner voice. Label your emotion. Naming it soothes the amygdala. Your prefrontal cortex gains clarity. Breathe deeply. Ground your feet. Your nervous system receives a signal. I am safe. 3, choose your response. You may not control events, but you control actions that reflect your values. Minor choices shape identity. For assign meaning, suffering is inevitable. Meaning is a gift you can give it. Psychologists call this logotherapy. Life is a river. You cannot control every rapid, rock, or storm, but you control the oar in your hand's perspective, response, purpose. This is the model of freedom Frankl discovered. No one can take it from you. Suffering touches everything, external planes, body, mind, but it cannot touch this. The meaning you choose, the stance of your heart, the response you own. Sometimes that is enough. Like and subscribe for more knowledge.